Hey guys, what's up and welcome to iCode. Guys, in this video, we're going to be learning about classes and objects in Swift 3. Well, you know that Swift 3 is an object-oriented language, so it's important to learn about classes and objects and how they work. So, let's get started. So, open up Xcode, create a new playground, go to File, New, Playground. And now, let me just name this classes and objects. So, classes and objects. Great. So the platform is iOS, so tap on next and save this on desktop. Great, there you go. Here is our playground. Okay, let me just get rid of this and we are done. Well, the concept of classes and objects can be clearly explained with an example. So let me just give an example. Say that you are making an iOS game and in that game you need to create some ghosts. Okay? And in this scenario, class becomes the general description of the ghost that you're going to be creating. An object is something which is an instance or example for this particular class. Got it? Well, I think you're confused. So, let me just show an example so that after this example you'll be perfectly alright in using classes and objects in Swift 3. Okay? So, let's jump into the example. So now, let me just create a class named Ghost. Okay? So we start by saying class space and now we need to name our class and that is Ghost. And guys, remember the convention for the class name is that it always starts with a capital letter. Okay, so let's give it a name Ghost, and now in this braces we need to write the description for this Ghost class. Description is nothing but just giving some variables and methods for this particular class. And guys, methods are nothing but functions. In object-oriented programming we call functions as methods. That's it. Okay, so now let me just give some variables and methods for this class so that we could use it for our object. So let me just create a variable named isAlive. So isAlive, all you are saying is this ghost is alive. So var isAlive equal to true. Of course, whenever we create a ghost, it's actually alive. So var isAlive equal to true. And now let me just give strength for this ghost. So var strength or power is equal to 100. Let the power be 100. And now let's create a method to kill a particular ghost. Okay, so we start by saying func as usual, kill the ghost. Let's name the function kill the ghost and use brackets, and in here all we need to say is alive is equal to false. That is, we are killing the ghost. That's it. So what we are doing is this particular isAlive variable is false. That is, this particular ghost is dead. That's what we are doing. We are killing the ghost. That's it. And now we are done with the class. We have created a class named Ghost. That's it. And now we can create as many ghosts as we want. Do you want to see how? Okay, let me just show you how. We start by saying var, and let me just name our first ghost as ghost1. Okay, and now what you need to do is you're going to say that this particular ghost1 belongs to this particular class. Okay, and how do you say that? What you need to do is you just need to name the class and use this brackets. That's it. Now we said that this particular ghost1 belongs to this particular class, and what does that mean? This particular ghost1 can have access to all these variables, isAlive, power, and the method kill the ghost. Got it? Great. So now let me just see if the ghost that we have just created is alive or dead. Okay, so what you need to do is just print ghost1, and we need to use period so that we can access all the variables of this particular class. Okay, so just use period, that is dot, and here you can see that we have access to all the variables and methods for this particular class ghost. Okay, so now what you need to do is you just need to select the first one so that you can know if the ghost is alive or dead. So tap on that, and here you can see that the ghost is alive, true, as the default value for any created ghost is true. That is isAlive equal to true. Okay, so now let me just see the power of the ghost as well. So print ghost1 dot power. So now you can see that the power of the ghost is 100. Great. So now let me just change the power of this particular ghost to 80. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is ghost1 dot power is equal to 80. Okay, and now if you just print the power of this particular ghost one, it will be 80. So ghost 1 dot power, and now this particular ghost will have the power equal to 80, and this is how we can change power of the ghost. And now let's kill the ghost, and for that what you need to do is ghost 1 dot kill the ghost. That's it, we have killed the ghost, guys. And let me just check if this particular ghost is alive or dead. So print ghost 1 dot is alive. Haha, there you see, the ghost is dead. And now let me just create another ghost. Okay, var ghost, ghost 2, and it belongs to class ghost as well. So what you need to do is ghost with the brackets. That's it. What we did here, we just created another ghost and it belongs to this particular class again. And now if you see power for this particular ghost, so that is print ghost 2 dot power, this particular ghost will have power equal to 100. Okay, let me just get rid of this, print, so that you can get the power of ghost 2 only. Okay, and now if you can see, the power of second ghost is 100. And now let me just create third ghost. So ghost 3, and it belongs to ghost class as well. And similarly we can create as many ghosts as possible. And this is the concept of classes and objects. It's that simple, isn't it? And of course these are very important whenever you're working with a large code database. Okay, so this is the concept of classes and objects. This is how they work, and it's actually very important in gaming programming. So with that being said, that's all for this video. If you have any doubt in any part of this video, just comment down below and I'll respond to you as fast as I can. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back with another Swift 3 video. And in the next video, we're going to be learning about optionals, which is actually very important in Swift 3 programming. So stay tuned for that, and goodbye.